The predicate, the essence, never exhausts the spheres of its existence in a single one, but in many ones. Critique of Hegel's Philosophy of Right. Karl Marx, 1843. In the hermeneutic concept of freedom, there exists within social relations an inextricable complex relationship between individual freedom, the freedom of others, social equality, and justice. Social equality and justice cannot exist without individual freedom, just as individual freedom cannot bring about the freedom of others without social equality and justice. So, what is freedom? Does the word freedom not entail the non-freedom of others, exclusion? And if that is the case, and freedom a form of constant conflict that necessitates a close examination of power relations and social classes, is it then even possible at all to achieve some kind of reconciliation between the parties involved, so that one might arrive at a point where one can speak of an emancipated, fully free society?